Okay, guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of something I already unboxed. A little while ago, I had no navigation bar for my YouTube. Well, while I had no navigation bar, I got this package from Jesse. Sorry, I had a cold really bad, so my voice is kind of weird right now. Anyway, I knew some of the stuff that was coming, and for one, he sent me this, which is awesome. I actually wanted this. The one that I do have on my test track only has one green light. It doesn't have the momentum in the brake. So this one's actually better than the one I have, which is awesome. So I'm going to use this one now for maybe I'll figure it out. I'm going to use this other than the one I do have. The other thing was these two L&N locomotives. I think I sent these to Jesse maybe 5-6 months ago. He ended up sending them back to me because he said that he wasn't using them. There was issues with grounding, so the motor mounts would pop out or something. So this morning I got into both of these, and I was able to use some stuff to get the motors to stay down. So I was pulling 10 cars with each one of these without a problem. So now I don't know, maybe somebody else might need these. They're a little too big for what I do. My little point to point, but I don't know. I might use these when I get the main line running around. So just in case, that's why I ordered that caboose. I got this L&N caboose to go with these in case I end up keeping them. Or if I trade or sell, I could probably do the caboose with the two. So I could probably make this one trade. The other thing that he sent me, this is a Bachmann B23-7. Okay, so he told me that he had to make a drive shaft. And I guess it works. It'll pull like 2 or 3 cars. But sometimes when you're going around corners, the drive shaft starts slipping or so he kind of Mickey Moused it. He got it working. And I guess he gave up with this one because he ended up with a better one. So he went ahead and sent this one to me because he doesn't need it. So I'm going to see if I can find another one on eBay and either repair or replace the railing and change out the drive shaft, or pull the motor out of this one into the other one, or a better shell, or vice versa. You know what I mean? So I'm going to look for one of these that I can switch back and forth and make one good running one out of the two. The other thing, there was another thing that he sent me. He sent me this steam locomotive, which looks really pretty. I mean, but it has some has some issues, and I don't know how to repair these. I've never been into steam locomotive repair to get these things to line up right. So either I can find somebody else who might want this thing or want to try to repair it, or I can make it look the best I can, weather it, and maybe put it on my layout with a fence around it like it's landlocked. I mean, it's a really pretty locomotive. I don't want to throw it away, but it needs help. And I'm not the I'm not the person who can help this thing. So it's either I can find someone who'll want this, or like I said, I'm just going to put it on my layout somewhere. What, now I got, what, 3 of them? I got like 3 steam locomotives that I can't do anything with. I'm so glad I don't do steam. I'm glad I'm a diesel guy, because the steam stuff, aye. Anyway, oh, by the way, he also sent me a box for that Easy Track. Because I had mentioned a while ago that I have an ON30. You know, it's a locomotive with like 3 passenger cars. And I thought about running it around the Christmas tree this coming Christmas. But I always want to see if I could find some track. So he sent me a box of that Easy Track. And so hopefully it's enough that I'll be able to make a big loop around the tree where I can make a tunnel with the presents and stuff and have the train running around. Anyway, that's my kind of unboxing after I unboxed from Jesse in Oklahoma. Thank you again, Jesse, and thank you for giving me back what I gave you. Anyway, we'll figure it out. All right, peace out, guys. Bye.